Most comfortable shoes for girls, we're stepping into something softer, smarter, and sensationally comfortable. Whether you're a man searching for the perfect gift or a woman hunting for shoes that won't betray you after a few hours, you've just found your new obsession. This is not just about shoes, it's about what your feet whisper when no one else is listening. Let's dive into the most comfortable shoes for girls and the surprising truth behind why comfort is the new way. Comfort isn't just a feeling, it's a statement. It says, I choose myself. When a girl steps into shoes that wrap her feet like a gentle hug, her posture changes, her stride softens, but her confidence spikes. And guess what? People notice, especially men. There's something magnetic about a woman who walks like the world is hers, not because her heels click loud, but because she's not in pain. That freedom, that ease, that's the real showstopper. For years, fashion told girls that beauty means sacrifice, that if it doesn't pinch, it probably doesn't pop. But comfort has finally crashed the runway, and it's rewriting the rules. No more wincing after weddings. No more limping through dates. No more regretting that walk to the cafe. The era of blistered beauty is over, and for every man who ever offered a piggyback ride at 11 p.m., you're about to be out of business. Sorry, gentlemen, or maybe you're welcome. What makes a shoe truly comfortable? It's not just the shape. It's the sole, or rather, the soul. Look for shoes that cushion, support, and breathe. Materials that bend with you, not against you. Design that flows with your foot, not dictates it. When I wear my comfy pair, I feel like I could run errands, take a walk, crash a party, and still have energy left to dance in my kitchen. I started noticing how much calmer my girlfriend got when she stopped wearing shoes that stressed her out. Her mood, her smile, everything changed. Comfort doesn't just protect your feet, it lifts your whole vibe. Comfortable shoes give girls more than relief. They hand them power. You want to see grace. Watch a girl dance like she forgot the ground. Watch her cross a room, not calculating steps, but owning her path. I'm done letting pain steal the joy from my steps. My shoes now work for me, not against me. It's not about flat versus high. It's about form meeting function, and function finally being fabulous. Now let's talk about the benefits in every step. Benefit 1. Endurance. Comfortable shoes let you go longer, farther, faster, without fatigue. Whether it's a conference, a commute, or a carnival, your feet are ready. Benefit 2. Posture. Better alignment means less back pain, less slouching, and more confidence. Benefit 3. Mental ease. When your feet aren't screaming, your mind isn't distracted. You're more present, more focused, more powerful. Benefit 4. Versatility. From casual to classy, today's comfy shoes can do it all. You don't have to compromise style to save your solace. Style is not a sprint, it's a journey. And the most stylish women today, they're the ones who figured out how to blend fashion with function and do it without apology. And Phyllis, supporting that journey isn't just sweet, it's smart, because when she walks easy, you walk proud. So here's the bottom line. Comfortable shoes are not boring, they're bold. They don't whisper fashion victim, they roar fashion victor. They make girls feel fearless. They make men look thoughtful. They make every day feel just a little more possible. So why settle for beautiful pain when you can have beautiful ease? Simple but effective ways to care for your shoes. 1. Clean them regularly. Wipe after each wear with a soft cloth to remove dust and dirt. Use a damp cloth or soft brush for deeper cleaning. For suede, use a suede brush or a white eraser to lift stains. 2. Store them properly. Use shoe trees to maintain shape, especially for leather or pointed shoes. Keep them in dust bags or original boxes to avoid scratches. Avoid stacking shoes on top of each other. 3. Waterproof and condition. Spray shoes with a protective waterproof spray, especially for leather and suede. Use leather conditioner every few months to keep leather supple and crack-free. Lastly, rotate your shoes. Give them time to air out and recover. This reduces odor and wear. Keep odors away. Sprinkle a little baking soda inside overnight, then shake it out. Please subscribe. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.